Yo YouTube, what is going on? So today's video, you can tell by the title, but I'm going to be showing you how to get Gymshark discount codes in 2024. This is going to get you money off your next Gymshark order. You can get free clothes, but also you can save at least $100, possibly even more off your next Gymshark order. So let's get into it, guys. You need to use your mobile phone, and I'll show you today how to get your Gymshark promo codes. So you need to go to this website on your mobile, www.topdogcodes.com. Make sure you spell it correctly. There you go. So Top Dog Codes is a free coupon and game codes website, so click on that one. Now go to the search bar, type Gymshark. You're looking for the Gymshark coupons and deals page. Now there's a couple of different promo codes that you can choose. There's a $100 Gymshark promo code, and there's also a 50% off your next order code. So you just have to calculate which one is going to save you the most money and click show coupon. Now this is, in this case, a $100 Gymshark promo code, and you need to unlock your code. These are protected, obviously they're quite valuable codes, so this prevents someone from stealing them. Now I'm not going to do it, I've already done this loads of times and I want to save the codes for you guys, but basically you need to tap unlock code, and then when this reaches 100%, you're going to see a new screen, and it's going to give you a set of instructions on how to unlock your code. You need to complete a couple of these free tasks, which I know is annoying, but I think it's worth it considering how much you're going to be saving. But yeah, and it will unlock your code. So go to topdogcodes.com, and if you have any questions or need any help, leave a comment below. Let me know, guys, what you get and which code saved you the most money. And yeah, enjoy, guys. I'll see you next time.